Berarti bener jalan yang tadi kocak. Cara cara. I'm getting dizzy, but it's alright. I am getting dizzy. Oh, cara naikin HP ya? Berarti tadi tuh kena racun atau kena itu dulu, guys. Cara 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 nanti ke kanan. Ntar dulu. Cara cara. West, north, east. Oh iya benar, ke kanan nanti. Cara cara. I'm getting this, but it's alright. Berarti bisa grinding dong kalau musuh. But it's alright. Jangan spoiler ya. Nanti kalau ada apa-apa jangan spoiler. I'm getting dizzy, but it's alright. Cara 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 cara. Di sini lagi ada lagu reok, guys. Kalau kedengaran sorry ya, di sini lagi banyak lagi pada latihan ini reok dekat rumah mbak gua. Cara cara itu dong. I'm getting dizzy. Oh ini. But it's alright. I'm getting dizzy. Set. But it's alright. Sini dulu gak sih? Oh ini. Gue udah save belum sih? Udah ya tadi ya. Kayak gue udah nggak save guys tadi. Coba save lagi biar aman. Kepo dah gue. Pengen gue larangan adalah cobaan. Nggak sih? Sini lo ngobrol. Anjing sakit juga ternyata. Bisa kabur gak? Nggak bisa ternyata. Gonna die. You're gonna gitu guys. Harus dicoba dulu ya kan. Namanya juga cowok. Gak ada nyerahnya. I'm getting dizzy, but it's alright. Ya ini ditutup anjing. Cara caca semuanya aja ditutup cok. Di sini ada musuh guys. Aneh bener di sini ada musuh. But it's alright. Cara caca cara caca. Gak ada yang jualan guys. Cara caca. Kayak kita disuruh langsung ke ini deh. Into enemies have to business dealing with right now. Advanced player might like to try and take this guy for more stat. In vain, avoid talking to guards as they very strong. Mention will trust to the NPC at the top right of the bar. Top right. Top right. Is it kah? Oh my god, this is a freaking. Salah, kenapa gue nyerang dia dah? Mati dong gua. Anjing. Bahaya guys, bahaya nih kalau salah pencet kebiasaan F1 anjing. Cara cara. Tadi dulu dah, gini dah. Lu gue hidup. Magic deh, cure. Lu item pakai, gue udah beli ini deh, perasaan shit nggak beli gue cok, shit shit blonyon, nggak beli gue ya, gue beli ether anjing, salah pencet dibunuh teman sendiri anjing. I'm getting dizzy but it's alright. Jir, cara banguninnya gimana guys? Aduh, tempat item pada kosong. Laut aja jangan lah sayang. Wah, dijegat anjing. Oh my god, this is so freaking. Ah, ini mah ngelot guys jadinya. Males gitu loh gua. Ngulangnya. Copyright masalahnya depannya nih. Harus dipencet. I'm getting dizzy, but it's alright. Ah, momen banyak banget musuhnya anjing. Kalau FF tuh kagak, FF1 nggak bakal ini anjing, nggak bakal kena orang soalnya. Kita ke kanan terus ya guys. Ini kah guys? Iya kayaknya. Oh my god. Oh ini ya. Mention with Loros. Plus I can help you. And plus you guys can take it from here. Don't let us down. Mana guys? Oh ada kok di sini. Sial. I'm getting dizzy. Wow, it's magic. Potion. Potion. Soldier, are you going to turn me over to Empire? At least have your yours. Pass. Real trust. Cerebral soldier, are you? Yeah. Come on, man. Here we go. Thank goodness you're still alive. He must learn to have more faith in himself. I also have message for the king. Tell him the reason Finn fell so quickly is that Van Borgen betrayed us. He's been made a general in the Imperial Army. There is one more thing. Tell Hilda. Tell Hilda that I love her. Come on. No, don't deliver that last message. The confession of a dying man. Well, my brother Leon, have you heard of him? No. I'm sorry, but I have not. I wish I could be of more help. Itu berdiri anjir. Here I want you to take my ring. I'm sure it will be of use. Maybe it's all distracting, but I've gotten extremely tired. If you'll excuse me, I just need to rest just for a little while. Mati nih. Matinya. Gue dapet ring guys. Masuknya jadi apa ini guys? Item ini ya? Look. Oke, kayak term. Hah? Masuknya ke item apa guys? Ring. Oh dijadiin satu nyet. Apa nih kok select button to cancel and cancel? What the fuck? Come on, man. Go back to Hilda in Altair, the first stone, and saw her ring. Kita balik nih. Oh, come on. Kita balik lagi, guys. I'm getting dizzy, but it's alright. Minggir dong, minggir dong. Lu bisa minggir nggak?